So let's get started. Could each of you ladies spend a little bit of time talking about sort of your career path? If you sort of, a lot of us have worked different places just in the last few years, and I'm sort of curious if you've all sort of taken the different path and how you think that's impacted the leadership roles you've taken on in the Bar Association. Deborah?
Want to start? Well, first of all, I want to say that I am very lucky because I had a number of mentors along the way, two of whom actually happen to be in this room, Arlene Lotman and Judge Shapiro, who, but for her elevation to the bench, I'm sure would have been the first woman chancellor. Some of whom, unfortunately, are no longer with us, one of whom was Lisa Rochette, who I had the privilege of clerking for right after law school. After that, and a small period of unemployment, I joined the predecessor to our current firm, which split up 3 years to the day after I joined it, and people went separate ways. And again, advice of counsel, I demanded that if Mr. Kirshner wanted me to go with him, that I become a partner in the firm. Little tiny percentage, but I became a partner in the firm, and that firm has continued to the present day. I think we're kind of unique because the three named partners in the firm joined that firm and never were anywhere else. And I think one of the things that, if somebody asked me what's changed in the 35 plus years you've been a lawyer, I would say, along with technology, mobility. And, when I joined the profession, and I think this is true when Judge Shapiro and when Arlene joined the profession, people went to work for a firm. I think Jane would say this too. People went to work for a firm, and you kind of thought you were going to be there for life. Things have changed dramatically, not always for the better. Rainmaking has become maybe more important than being a good lawyer. And I think that's affected probably everybody else in this room.
Well, I started my